Hello friends, Namaskar. I am Pradeep Patil and wishing you all a very happy, healthy and safe life. Today we are going to discuss about leadership skills. Leadership is an important life skill, be it personal, professional, socio-economic, political, cultural or spiritual. All the aspects of our life are usually influenced by the leadership. So, what is leadership? How it can be defined? What are the leadership styles? What are the challenges and how the challenges can overcome? So, leadership is basically an art of motivating the people towards achieving the objectives or any particular goal. In the digital era, where the artificial intelligence is taking the central stage, the importance of emotional intelligence has increased significantly. The CEO of Apple company, Tim Cook, rightly said that I am not worried about the artificial intelligence giving ability to the computers to think like human. I am more concerned about the people who are thinking like computers without value and compassion. So, according to Daniel Goleman, who was the famous psychologist and author, there are 6 types of leadership styles. Number 1, coercive, which demands immediate result. Affiliative, it is about creating the emotional bond and the harmony. Third is authoritative, which mobilizes the people towards achieving the goals. Fourth is democratic, which builds the consensus through the participation. Fourth is pace setting, it expects excellence and the self-direction. And number 6 is that is coaching. It is about developing the people as leaders in future. So out of the 3 leadership styles, namely affiliative, authoritative and democratic, are considered effective because all the 3 leadership styles are mainly driven by emotional intelligence. Now let us see what are the hurdles in effective leadership. Mainly there are 4 types of hurdles. Number 1 is known as lack of clarity in vision. Famous Greek philosopher Seneca says that one who does not know to which port it is sailing, no wind is favorable. So leaders must have the clarity in the vision. Second hurdle is ego. Sometimes leaders fall under the trap of superiority complex and they get surrounded by the artificial atmosphere. They even stop learning, listening and observing the things in comprehensive manner. Whereas great leaders are humble because they know that the leadership is not about the authority, it is about impact and influence. Third hurdle is over control. Many leaders avoid to delegating the powers to the team members, which creates the culture of micromanagement and crushes the independent thinking and the creativity. Number 4 is lack of innovation. In 21st century world, which is global, digital, transparent with fastest speed of information flow, the image of a superhero who commands knowledge and protects the followers and supporters may not be relevant. Moreover, life creates every day a new problem, and to address the problem, our approach must be innovative. Otherwise, the leaders may be outdated. So, what are the solutions? How to overcome the challenges of effective leadership? According to various surveys and studies, the solutions can be summarized in 4 points. Number 1, critical thinking and problem solving. Critical thinking is nothing but the process of evaluate, analyze, assess and examine the things and the situations in comprehensive manner, in totality. Once the process is adopted, automatically the decision making and the problem solving skill will be enhanced. Second is communication skill. Great leaders are also great communicators. But interestingly, the communication is less about speaking, it is more about listening. The leaders who are active and attentive listeners, they are effective communicator. Third is change management. It is said that nothing can be changed by changing the face, but everything can be changed by facing the change. If the leaders are ready to accept and adopt the change, then opportunities will be immense to grow as a leader. And fourth point is empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand others' feeling and imagine themselves on the place of others. Empathetic leaders always try to understand the root cause of poor performance. They connect with others emotionally, and accordingly, they provide the right solution, appropriate solution to improve the performance. Their decisions are thoughtful and they take the decisions on merit basis only. So these are the 4 solutions. Famous author and thinker Brian Herbert says that the capacity to learn is a gift. Ability to learn is a skill. And willingness to learn is a choice. Interestingly, the leadership is not a rank, it is a choice. And who are willing to learn the things, they can grow as a leader in true sense. This is all about leadership skills. Thank you very much.